I really have all this stuff here. I got all these too. Oh, Papi, why are you squishing the bread? Stop. Oh my lord. No, Papi. You want cracker? Get a crackers? You want cracker? Huh? You want cracker? Mommy will give you a cracker. You want a cracker? Watch out, get out. No, this is not Papi. You want cracker? Get a cracker? Where's your cookies? Yeah, where's your cookies? Go get your bowl. Go get your bowl. Where's your bowl? Go get your bowl, Bubby. Bring me your bowl, baby. Where's your bowl? Did you eat your cookie? Where's your bowl? Huh? ¿Ya comiste cookie o no? Mira, no come cookies. Tengo que tomar cookie, papi. Crackers! Crackers! There you go, Bobby. Yes, crackers. Mom's gonna put these crackers over here. Over here. Oh, what was that? What was that? Damn, I ripped that open. Shoot. What? Come, Papi, eat what you got instead of asking for more stuff. Come que tiene ahorita, please. Eat what you have right now, baby. I think I'll just take you guys back up here. Because my boyfriend's like, you need to stop showing your ass and just show cooking. So let's cook. Let's cook. I thought I had one more can of corn. That's why I didn't buy none. But I guess I was wrong. You better not dump that. Do not. Yes, that's yours. Where you going, Stefan? Making spaghettis. I'm gonna make it without corn today. I mean, it should still taste the same, hopefully. 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 Careful, baby. Careful, please. Careful, Papa. Wow. Good job.